If you are one of those that believe that the sum of the speed divided by 2 will give you the average speed, then you are wrong. Watch this video to the end. The question says, a bus travels 30 km at a uniform speed of 40 km per hour, and the next 30 km at a speed of 20 km per hour. What is the average speed of the bus? Do not make the mistake of adding the two speeds and dividing it by 2. This is what you do. Let's sort the parameters out. The distance, the first distance given to us, let's call it S1, is 30 km per hour at a speed V1 of 40 km per hour. Next, distance 2, 30 km per hour, speed 2, 20 km per hour. We just need to get the average speed by V. Now, what you need to know is the formula for average speed. Whenever the word average speed is mentioned, what should come to your mind is total distance divided by total time. That is average speed. The total distance you covered in the journey divided by the total time it takes you to cover all the distances if summed up together. Now, we know the distances S1, S2, so the total distance will just be the sum. What about the total time? We don't know the time because what we are given is just the speed, not the time. So the first thing we want to do is to calculate the time to complete distance 1 at speed 1 and the time to complete distance 2 at speed 2. Let's start with 1. Time 1 will be distance 1 over this speed 1. T equals to distance over speed. Putting in values, T1 will be 30 over 40. 30 divided by 40, and that is 0.75 hour. Remember the units are kilometer and kilometer per hour, so your time will be in hours. So it's 0.75 hours. Let's repeat it for parameters 2. Time 2 will be distance 2 divided by speed 2, which is 30 divided by 20, and that will give you 1.5 hour. Now we know the time, we know the distance, we can just calculate the average speed by summing up the distances, distance 1 plus distance 2, divided by time 1 plus time 2. Putting in values, distance 1 is 30 plus distance 2 is 30 divided by 0.575 time 1 plus 1.5 time 2. Just put this into your calculator, you are going to arrive at 26.67 km per hour. So this is the average speed. Do not make the mistake of adding 20 to 30 and dividing by 2. Sorry, 20 to 40 and dividing by 2. I hope this clarifies it. Here is a simple one. Continuation of this question. If the bus decelerated uniformly from the 20 km per hour in 20 seconds, what is the deceleration? You can use the comment section, put your answer there, and I'll be there waiting for you. Thank you for watching this video. Do share it to your learning colleagues and friends. Like and comment. Follow our page if you've not done so. If you're watching on YouTube, consider subscribing because you will keep enjoying our content. Thank you for watching.